let's see. We need 1 1/3 cups of water. We'll do the oil first. Here, let's do it.
I saw the other one up.
Here, you want to put your other egg in? Here, break it apart. Put your thumb, one thumb there, one
Why
thumb.
would you do it?
You don't want to touch that slimy stuff, do you?
Yeah, too strong for me to touch it.
Too slimy for you to touch it.
Did you eat your cheater camera?
I did. I ate all one.
Here, you gonna pour the oil in there? Let go of the spoon. Just leave it laying there. Okay, now pour this in there.
Chocolate all day.
Now you can start some more while Grandma gets the water.
Yeah, somebody just done it by me.
I'm making a chocolate cake first.
When you gonna make my cake?
After chocolate,
What kind do I get?
you get some vanilla like eggs. Eggs are yellow. And vanilla's yellow too.
Okay, now let's take your spoon out.
Up there running.
Okay.
This is good. This is ours. That's good.
Poor Toby wants to come over so bad.
Here, you gonna hold it? Take it round and around.
It's going to go round and round. I just put a ball.
Okay, so I'm gonna watch this.
I'm making it with you, Grandma.
You are.
It's going to be it. And,
We're missing one thing if you're cooking with Grandma. You know that?
yeah. I'm cooking with
Give me 2
you.
towels. What? Give me 2 towels.
Oh,
So, since this part is also you get it off.
You gotta do this when you cook with Grandma. You gotta have a towel over your shoulder. That way you have something to wipe your hands on.
So when I eat, it's all ready, Grandma.
You gotta do a little more. A little bit faster.
Look at this cake, Mama.
you guys are doing a great job.
That look good? Huh? Yeah, put your finger in there. Wipe your hand on the towel. Hey, that's why you wear a towel or you towel. Don't take another cake?
How is it? Is it good?
Here,
Here, you
you
lick
want to lick the beater?
Do you want the cake? Yeah, spray.